Munch, munch, crunch, crunch, crunch. Abdullah calls Muntaha. Oh, pop, pop, pop. Oh no, look down. Popcorn falls all around the ground. Abdullah comes and looks around. Oh no, popcorn on the ground. Please clean up, Abdullah says. Muntaha nods. Okay, she says. Yay, yay, yay. Toys go here, toys go there. Look everywhere. Oh no, toys on floor and chair. Big, big messes everywhere. Abdullah comes and says with care, do you know who likes this there?